Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox and signing into your account. This is essential so purchases link to you. Once signed in, check your Google Play payment methods and confirm billing info, because failed payments block purchases. Make a choice now. Buy Robux directly via the in-app store or redeem a prepaid Roblox gift card through the Google Play Store first. Both routes work on Android. Keep your device on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions during payment processing. Now you perform the purchase. Tap the Robux icon, select the package you want, and press Buy. Google Play handles the transaction. When prompted, choose your payment method, confirm the amount, and authorize with your fingerprint, PIN, or password. This both secures and completes the payment. If you have a Roblox gift card, redeem its code first in Google Play or within Roblox, then buy Robux using the redeemed balance. Keep receipts for verification, and check your account balance after the transaction completes. Finish by exploring alternate, legitimate ways to get Robux. Sell avatar items or game passes, or subscribe to Roblox Premium for a monthly Robux stipend. These require time but transfer directly to your account. Once a purchase or sale completes, refresh the app or sign out and back in to update your balance. If Robux don't appear, review Google Play order history and payment method, request a refund only if appropriate, and contact Roblox or Google Play support with your receipt to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.